So yes, my peeps are going to repair this another birkenstock. So I will show you as I go. As yes, it's in a terrible condition, so I'm going to repair it. Yes, my wonderful people. I already don't stick it. I already don't stick back inside, putting back to the full capacity. Even inside will not come off. So you will see the finished product. So yes, my peeps, this is a finished product. This is the finished product, guys. I already done put on the bottom. So you need yours in repair? Check me out. So yes, guys, this is the two of them that I repair. This is the two